Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you one of the interesting ways that you can fetch the IDs of components. Now, by natively in Jira, this is not, this is really hard to do. There were some answers like you go to inspect element and then you look for the component dash ID, but that really doesn't actually work well. So I figured it's better to actually use the API and fetch the IDs. So I got my sample project in here where I have three components: web, mobile, and infrastructure. And this is how the endpoint for the API actually looks like. So it's REST API, then project, and also you're actually gonna insert here your project key and then /components. That's it. For the authentication, I'm using the basic authentication, which is my email address with the Atlassian API key. So when I go ahead and I actually run this, I get the IDs. So for the infrastructure, what I can actually see, this is the ID for this first component. And then also I have, the account type. It's all good. And there's even the project ID. That's there as well. I also have for the mobile, I have the ID in there as well, and all of the other things. Yeah, like the assignee type, and when I have the ID for the web component as well. And that's it. If I actually had more components, it will list out more components in here, but this is the response that I actually get. I was not using the Postman. I was using this http.io. It's pretty interesting app. It works and it's really fast and it's simple and straightforward. So it's really something that I found handy to use. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.